Today we're diving into DIY biohacking, the art of using science and self-experimentation to optimize your body and mind. It's about taking control from diet tweaks to wearable tech. You can actively shape your health and performance. The appeal, real results, real data, and a sense of agency over your well-being. With affordable gadgets and open access to research, anyone can start experimenting at home. Biohacking is about running personal experiments, changing one variable at a time, and tracking what works for you. It's a shift from generic advice to a personalized journey of self-improvement. Let's look at two popular biohacking tools, nootropics and smart headbands. Nootropics, like caffeine and L-theanine, promise sharper focus and calm energy. Caffeine boosts alertness, but L-theanine smooths out the jitters, creating a balanced, focused state. Smart headbands use sensors to monitor your brainwaves during sleep or meditation. Some play sounds to deepen your sleep, while others use neurofeedback to help you reach a calm, focused mind. For example, a headband might play gentle rain as you relax, teaching you to control your mental state. These tools offer immediate feedback, helping you learn what works for your brain. The goal: targeted, measurable improvements in focus, sleep, and calm. But do these tools really work? Science says the caffeine and L-theanine combo can boost focus and alertness. However, many other nootropics lack strong evidence. Claims often outpace the research. Always look for high-quality studies on real people, not just animal trials or marketing hype. Smart headbands show promise in labs, but consumer versions vary in accuracy and effectiveness. Neurofeedback can help beginners meditate, but long-term benefits over traditional methods are still unclear. The placebo effect is real. Sometimes just believing in a tool can make you feel better. Stay skeptical and demand solid evidence before investing time or money. Safety comes first in biohacking. Start with proven basics: sleep, nutrition, exercise, and sunlight. These are the most powerful biohacks and should be your foundation. If you try supplements, consult a healthcare professional and add only one at a time, starting with the lowest dose. Buy from reputable brands with third-party testing and avoid mystery blends. Tech tools like headbands can be expensive and sometimes cause more stress than benefit. Don't obsess over the data. Use these tools as guides, not as replacements for listening to your own body. Remember, the best results come from mastering the fundamentals. Approach every new tool with caution, curiosity, and a critical eye. Can you upgrade your brain with biohacking? Yes, but forget the idea of instant genius. Real gains come from consistent, evidence-based habits: sleep, diet, exercise, and stress management. Supplements and gadgets can offer a small edge, but only if your foundation is solid. Use them as targeted boosts, not magic fixes. Biohacking is about continuous personalized optimization, not shortcuts. Be skeptical of big promises, focus on what's proven, and experiment safely. With patience and smart choices, you can unlock your best self.